ça peut être informatif pour, vous voyez, ceux qui souhaitent bah, faire des appels, vous voyez, aux assurances, etc. Ou même, vous voyez, euh, moi ensuite quand... euh, enfin, s'il y a des gens qui sont intéressés, vous voyez, par être client de la Maif, bah ouais, ils peuvent regarder ça. Vous comprenez? En gros, bon, il y a quand même énormément de choses qui sont faites bah, pour vous empêcher d'avoir des informations. D'accord? So, a lot of things are made to prevent you from having information. Ok? Un bis avenue.
Just a fool. We were too good to be true. We were too good to be true. Too good to be true.
Ouais, là, je vais faire.
Jusqu'à maintenant. Vous voyez? Au tout début de l'humanité, au tout début, est resté jusqu'à maintenant. Vous voyez?
Ah oui. Donc, ça, très très important. Voilà. Donc, il y a l'appel de la Maif qui est bien. Et il y a ça en plus. Alors, ouais. Du coup, vous voyez, je réfléchissais à tout ça. Je me disais, mais comment est-ce que la société a évolué, vous voyez, pour, eh bien, implémenter, vous voyez, le mauvais, tout le mauvais que je subis et le contrôle qu'ils font sur les personnes. Et en fait, je me disais que à un moment, vous voyez, ça devait être nécessaire, à un certain moment, au tout début de l'humanité, certainement. Et vous voyez, en gros, parce que vous voyez, au moment où enfin, on était des singes, bon, peut-être qu'on a commencé, vous voyez, à se battre un peu. Et c'était nécessaire un peu bah, d'avoir un leader, vous voyez, parce qu'on n'avait pas la technologie. On n'avait pas la technologie à la connaissance. Vous voyez, les mecs, ils étaient en mode oh 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 comme ça. Et puis vous voyez, ils rencontraient un mec qui disait oh oh oh, genre ils se mettaient ensemble et puis ensuite ils frappaient les autres. Vous voyez, voilà. Alors limite, ils frappaient pas forcément, mais enfin, ils s'organisaient contre les autres. Et il y en avait un qui vous voyez, devenait plus fort. Donc voilà. Et, et au bout d'un moment, ils ont commencé à implémenter ça. En gros, c'était au tout début. Vous voyez, quand ils étaient totalement cons. Vous voyez. So, when we were totally dumb, it was like we implemented that. And basically, it stayed. It fucking stayed. So, like the bad, so making bad, controlling people like that, fucking stayed from the point where we were like fucking monkeys. Honestly, you see. So I explain in this video, like what are the mechanisms. So not in a lot of details, might detail it later though, but in the high level, you see. Donc j'explique dans le high level un peu comment. Et vous voyez, en gros, he started there, and basically like they kept this bad, you see. um so I think this is how it started. So maybe not at this stage, but like very early when they were doing uh, like um, like small communities. Very early there was a leader, and they decided to have one leader leading people, and basically this meant control at first, you see. So here you go. But I think for me there's not a need for that anymore.
Voilà. Donc en fait, c'était ça. Ouais, c'était ça. Le mauvais du tout début de l'humanité est resté juste par legacy. Voilà les gens. Voilà. Bon, je vais mettre de l'essence.
So you see, it's all, I think it's kind of that. So obviously it's a very high level, but that's kind of what happened. You get it? So basically this like the it's crazy, and maybe you might ask, Gauthier, why didn't they remove like the bad at some point? Because at some point, like we were intelligent, we could have removed the bad. Because of religion. Because basically, people like, how can I explain that? People put a lot of thought into doing what was already known because of tradition and religion. Okay? And so they just kept doing that. You see? Without thinking about why. You see? Donc, en gros, il y a des gens qui ont continué à faire la même chose sans penser pourquoi ils faisaient les choses. Vous voyez? Voilà. Et donc, ils ont continué à faire du mauvais. Ok? Et donc maintenant, on a les capacités de comprendre ça pour avancer. Now we have the capabilities to understand that, to go forward. So without making a lot of the bad of like without doing the bad that was done. Okay. So here you go. Very interesting video. Like honestly, really liked doing it also. You can watch. And so I'm continuing in that. So I'm not going to... Basically, I let you watch the video. Ok? Je vous laisse regarder la vidéo. Celle-là, assez intéressante. So, Call with Maïf and... so, Call Maïf and Start of Bad. Ok? I think it was kind of that, you see. So here you go. Donc je pense que c'était ça, vous voyez. Alors bon, j'ai uploadé le... Oui, donc j'ai mis en non répertorié. Donc je peux faire un flou. Donc voilà. Donc vous voyez, en gros... Ah non, je peux pas. Ah putain, les revendications sont en cours de traitement. Ok. Donc, vous voyez... je pense honnêtement que c'était ça. Et bon, maintenant, vous voyez, maintenant, voilà. And... So, because there's also sex, obviously. So basically, the want from men to control women, basically veered off to other men. You get it? I think it was kind of like that, honestly. And so yes, might also be that, you see. So so I just thought about it. So I heard people talking about some things, and so this morning, and it could also be that, basically, like the desire to have sex with other people could have veered off to other men. You see, like controlling other men. So it's like controlling your movement, controlling your man. You see? Oui, je pense que c'est... Oui, en gros, le désir de contrôler sa femme, oui, est allé sur le désir de contrôler d'autres hommes. Vous voyez? Donc d'abord, c'était... vous voyez, c'est un peu comme les lions sur... les lions par rapport aux lionnes. Vous voyez? Donc voilà. So I think it has a lot to do with that, honestly. So obviously the solution is not removing sex. The solution is just having that in the head, you see, and try to basically take that into account, you see. So here we go. So obviously I think a lot of I think the smart people know about this, you see. But I think it's just a lot of the far right do not get that, you see. So they just like they just want to dominate without thinking about why, you see. So that's why I explain a lot of this, you see. Donc il y a pas mal de gens de l'extrême droite, vous voyez, qui veulent dominer, mais sans comprendre sans comprendre pourquoi, vous voyez. Pourquoi est-ce que leur idée de domination va mener à un maximum de croissance? Et ce n'est pas vrai, ok. En gros, c'est une mauvaise valeur qui mène à moins de croissance, ok. So it's a bad value that leads to less growth, obviously, okay. So I explained it a lot throughout all the video streams. Just go watch the video streams. Regardez les vidéos streams. Je l'explique au travers de tous les vidéos streams. So the idea is just also realize that there's other people. So like you must not exploit other people. Il faut pas exploiter d'autres personnes. You see, so it's like slavery. So it's like not slavery to a maximum. You see. So at some point slavery was abolished. So at some point, like having a domination relationship in a society has to be abolished. So if you're against slavery, you're against not having a domination relationship. Ok? Si vous êtes contre l'esclavage, vous êtes contre avoir une idée de domination dans la société. Alors, so you're going to say to me, Gauthier, what if some people want domination? Because, for example, like they get, so they want to, so how can we fight basically people that want domination? Basically, you don't dominate in return. It's crazy. What you do is that, not in a slow way, you see, and so manipulating people over the long time. I hate that. Okay, just what can be done is just having a plan, showing them that how removing the domination can improve them further, you see, and how it can improve you further also, removing the domination. And so slowly the domination is going down and basically society goes up. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Okay, so here you go. But yeah, so you see, I did not think of that during the video, that's true, but sex also might have played a big role at the time. Okay, obviously, I think obviously. So you see, honestly guys, look, so if you talk to me before, you know that I was not thinking like that at all. Okay, I just thought about the subject in a really in a really like logical way, and basically it leads to this conclusion, obviously, you see. So the video is done. So you see, because domination is a bad value, and I showed you that with innovation we can do wonderful things. You see, and so you just remove domination, and basically through innovations you can put the world further. You see. So I think it's on the desktop. Yes. So call my if, and where does the bad come from? I think it's better. Where does the bad come from? Okay, so I think honestly it's so you see, I was not in like the sex game and everything like that before, you see. So obviously I realize a bit of it, but you see, I'm not really in the sex games, and so I did not think of that, you see. So this might have played a role, you see. And in France, like, men cannot get paternity test just because they're women, go fuck other men, you see. So like it's crazy how in the society like a lot of things are really fucked up, you see. And so so how does this, how is this how is this related to so wait, I'm going to first so the Maeve call is about so Maeve call around 3 minutes, let's say, and it started when I arrived at the gas station. So 20. So 3 and 20. 3 call Maeve. 20. So and now you're going to say how. Wait, I don't remember what I said. Anyway, going to. You see, sometimes I don't remember. So and 20 minutes. So where does the bad come from? Okay. So you go. Click. Okay, so almost done with the video. The videos. So this one still verifying. So going to clip the fact that, so I think making everything in a clear way obviously is a lot better. Maybe people you see like what I mean is that not hiding to some, like the person that you're dating, who you're fucking, you see. I think it makes a lot of sense, you see. And if this person does not agree, basically you need to go with the person you're fucking, and like you see, like everything needs to be clear. Otherwise there's going to have a lot of problems, you see. précision sur le début du OV, le sexe, l'amour aussi. L'amour, ça peut être controlling. L'amour, je pense, ça peut être controlling. Alors, je pense que ça dépend. Moi, j'ai plutôt, vous voyez, moi, dans l'amour, je suis un peu plus en mode, quand j'aime, j'ai envie que la personne, vous voyez, soit plus indépendante, encore plus forte. Mais bon, ça, vous voyez, c'est différents concepts de l'amour. Vous voyez. Donc voilà. Euh, ouais, moi, je dirais pas l'amour. Moi, je dirais plutôt le sexe. Vous voyez. Normalement, évidemment, le sexe, c'est vouloir que la personne ait ait le plus d'informations possible et soit le mieux possible. Vous voyez. Voilà.